So guys, as you can see that this website is paying out big money to the people who are working on this. As you can see that there is so much money that they have been giving away to all of their visitors. You can see that the numbers, this doesn't end. Like this list goes on and on and on. This is an infinite list, like this is not going to end. You can see that how many numbers are there, how many pages are there. So this is the amount of money which they have paid in the past few years, and this list goes on and on. There are more than 75 pages and they have more than 150 earnings, and you can see that the amount of money they are paying is insane. This insane amount of money is generated using this website by users like you, like me, in a very efficient and a very simple method. So in this quick video, you're going to learn how to make use of this website which I'm about to reveal in this video and start making money online. So guys, I would like you to welcome to this video. Hi guys, this is Jay, and in this video you're going to learn how to make money using Facebook likes and other social media follows. Yes, you heard it right. In this method, what you have to do is you have to just go to social media, do certain activities and get paid for it. And this money is exactly what I've shown you right now. You have already seen that how much money was generated using this method, and you can also generate money like that using this in a very efficient manner. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Now I want you to go down below and tell me from which country do you belong, because country plays an important role when you are working online. The best part of this website is that this website allows anyone from any country. You can see that they even have translations in all of these following languages. Like if you want to translate it to Turkish, if you want to translate it to Malayalam, if you want to translate it to French, German, you can do that. All kind of translations are available. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now the website's name is likesplanet.com. So you need to go to your address bar right now in the site and type in likesplanet.com and then come back to this video. Also, I want you to go down below and tell me that do you already have a Facebook account or any of these social media account like YouTube account, Facebook account, Instagram account, Pinterest account, because this method will need you to have accounts on these platforms and you are going to leverage your account to start making money. Now the biggest question on your mind should be that how does it work? So they have this awesome tab here which says how it works, and it actually explains in a very visual manner. As you can see that you can come to this website and sign up for free. Yes, the sign up is absolutely free. Now the next step is for you to go and like pages, view YouTube channels, watch YouTube videos, and then you will be earning points. Now there are two ways for you to use these points. Either you can cash out your earnings, like you will be getting dollars in your bank account, or you can use the same points to generate following or likes or views on your own social media accounts and posts. Yes, so you can use it both ways. You can either generate likes and social media follows using this, or you can cash out your earnings. Now you can see that they have also explained you how will you get likes, followers and traffic. So you just need to select this option here in your dashboard which says add site or video. Then you need to select the type, that what it is. It's a video, it's a website. You just have to add your link and then you can wait, and you'll see that there's a flood of traffic coming to your social media pages and people are actually following your social media pages, watching your videos, watching your content, and it's growing at an immense rate. Now you can also see that they have some other things here which is not important, but this is the most important part, which is how to get points. So you can earn points by buying them, which doesn't make sense for us because we are not here to spend money, but we are going to earn money. So to do that, you can earn points by following and liking. As you can see that in order to earn points, just click on one of the icons at the top of this page. If you are wanting to like Facebook pages for points, then click on Facebook likes. If you want to receive a list of pages, then you can also do that. Like you have lots and lots of activities which you do on social media. You just have to do those things and you will be getting paid for it. You'll be making money by it. Now they have one additional thing called as daily bonus. Yes, if you log into this website every day and you do some stuff, you will be receiving an extra daily bonus. This daily bonus changes each day, so that's why there's no fixed rate for it, and it's always good to have free money on your table, right? So this is one of the best ways out there to make money online using likesplanet.com. Now as you can see that they have also added some additional things here and you can go to this tab and click on payment proofs to see that how much money people have actually made. So as you can see that they have paid so far $18,444, and you can see that this is the actual proof with code name, payment method. As you can see that they are paying out money using PayPal, and I hope you already have a PayPal account. If you don't, I want you to go to paypal.com right now and create your account. Like, if you want to make money online, PayPal is one of the most important things which you need to have, because all of these popular payment and money making machines online will pay you in your PayPal account. Now PayPal will get linked to your bank account, so don't worry, you'll be still getting money in your bank account. Now as you can see that they have actually shown that they have a huge list, huge amounts and methods. Now there's one another method called as Payaza. So if you don't have PayPal and if you want to use this instead, you can also use that. That is also a very efficient way to cash out your earnings. But as you can see that the popularity of PayPal is such that all the options out here are using PayPal, and I'll also recommend you to go with PayPal. Now if you have any questions for them, like how do you operate, like if you have any kind of question, then you can also go to their contact us page and then fill in this simple form. Now when you fill in this simple form, they'll reply back to you with your answers, and that's an important thing, because there are many times we have important questions we want to ask but we don't know who to ask. So this website is actually providing you an option to start asking questions. Now you need to come to this website, you need to click on register. Now after clicking on register, they'll ask you for some simple things. For example, your username, email, again email, then password again, then referral code and captcha number. Now I want to show you one more thing, and that is when you go to end of this website, they also have this tab called as join now and claim 50 points. So if you join using this link, you'll be generating a 50 point bonus. That is very good. Without doing anything, for just simply registering yourself, you earn free 50 points, and that's the most important part. So use that link. If you want, I can also share with you a lot of the stuff, but I really want you to go to this website and start working it right now. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.